Hey there, fellow science buffs! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Today we're diving deep into why dolphins and orcas are never going back to land. Yep, that's right. These magnificent creatures have made the ocean their permanent home, and there's no turning back. These oceanic superstars have reached an evolutionary point of no return. Their journey from land to sea is a fascinating tale of adaptation and survival. So, let's rewind the clock about 375 million years. Back then, the world was a very different place, teeming with ancient fish and other marine life. Fish decided they were tired of being wet all the time and evolved to live on land. This monumental shift gave rise to the first tetrapods, the four-limbed ancestors of all land-dwelling vertebrates. They became tetrapods, eventually giving rise to all sorts of land mammals, including us. From tiny shrews to towering elephants, the diversity of life on land exploded. Fast forward to about 250 million years ago, some mammals thought, hey, the water was fun, and went back to the ocean. This reverse migration led to the evolution of marine mammals. Thus, whales, dolphins, and orcas were born. These creatures adapted to their new aquatic environment in remarkable ways. Now let's talk about how dolphins and orcas became so perfectly adapted to water that land is totally off the table. Their bodies underwent significant changes to thrive in the ocean. For starters, they got bigger, like, way bigger. This increase in size helps them maintain body heat in the cold ocean waters. This helps them stay warm in the chilly ocean. Their large bodies act like thermal insulators, keeping them cozy even in the iciest of waters. Then, they switch to a carnivorous diet because who wants to nibble on grass when you can chomp on fish? Their sharp teeth and powerful jaws make them formidable hunters. And don't forget their sleek, streamlined bodies, perfect for swimming and diving. Their hydrodynamic shapes reduce drag, allowing them to glide effortlessly through the water. But here's where it gets really interesting. Their intelligence and social behaviors are off the charts. Dolphins and orcas use echolocation to navigate and hunt, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Bruna Farina, a PhD student at the University of Freiburg in Switzerland, studied over 5,600 mammal species. Her research sheds light on the evolutionary paths of these fascinating creatures. She found that there's a point of no return between semi-aquatic and fully aquatic species. Once a species becomes fully adapted to life in water, going back to land is virtually impossible. This supports Dallow's law, which basically says evolution doesn't hit the reverse button. Once a complex adaptation is lost, it's not regained. Once these mammals adapted to life in the water, they were stuck there. Their bodies and behaviors became so specialized that returning to land was no longer an option. So, no matter how much they might miss land, dolphins and orcas are too specialized to ever evolve back. Their evolutionary journey has locked them into a marine lifestyle. Their bodies have changed in ways that make living on land pretty much impossible. From their flippers to their blubber, every part of them is designed for the ocean. Think of it like trying to turn a submarine into a sports car. Sure, both can move, but they're built for completely different environments. The same goes for dolphins and orcas. They are the submarines of the animal kingdom. So the next time you see a dolphin or an orca, remember, they're not just swimming for fun. They're perfectly adapted to their watery world, and that's where they'll stay. They're cruising through life in the only way they can. Their evolutionary path has made them masters of the ocean, and they wouldn't have it any other way. And that's a wrap on why dolphins and orcas are never walking on land again. Their journey is a testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more science awesomeness. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring.